Hello and welcome. My name is Gaurav, and as I had promised you that I will discuss the greenhouse gases more in detail. So in this class we'll get to know that what actually are the greenhouse gases and how many greenhouse gases are present in the earth atmosphere. So let us start. See, if we'll go with the basic definition of the greenhouse gases, these are the gases which have a capability to trap a heat which is emitted by the surface of earth. Now, how it works? So for that we need to know what is a greenhouse effect. So let us suppose that this is a house which is completely made up of glass. Usually these type of houses you will see in the colder regions like in European countries or some other western countries, basically to grow plants. That is why they are called as greenhouse. Now as you can see here that the rays of sun directly penetrating into the glass house. Why it is so? It is because they are of shorter wavelength, they have a very high frequency, so they can easily penetrate inside the glass house. But this glass house is effectively opaque for the longer wavelength which is emitted by the soil of inside the glass house. So the whole process makes the glass house warm, and this warm condition of the glass house is very much suitable for the growth of plants in colder regions. So this is called a greenhouse effect. Now in a very similar way, when the sun rays directly striking to the earth's surface, some of it will go back into the space in the form of infrared radiations. These infrared radiations are absorbed by the greenhouse gases. Now this process makes the atmosphere warm, and this warm atmosphere is suitable for the sustaining of life on earth. So we can say that the presence of greenhouse gases are necessary for maintaining the global temperature. In fact, if these greenhouse gases are not present on the earth, on the atmosphere, the temperature of earth would have been minus 18 degree centigrade. So at certain level these greenhouse gases are important for us. But after industrial era, the concentration of these greenhouse gases increased very rapid just because of the human interventions on the environment. So we have seen many challenges because of these gases in the form of global warming, after that the climate change. So this is all about the greenhouse gases. Now my next question is that how many types of greenhouse gases are present in the earth atmosphere? So as you can see here that I have written 4 greenhouse gases. Number 1 is the carbon dioxide, and this gas accounts almost 76% of the total greenhouse gas emission. Their main sources are transportation, burning of fossil fuels and other industries. Number 2 is the methane, and this gas is primarily produced from the paddy fields, and it almost accounts for the 16% of the total greenhouse gas emission. Then this is NO2, and they are produced from the chemical fertilizer industries, and it accounts almost 6% of the total greenhouse gas emission. At last, this is the fluorinated gases. They are further classified into HFC, CFC, PFC and SF6, and we all know that they are used in the air conditioner, compressor and refrigerator companies. Also they are used in many other industries. So this is all about the greenhouse gases. But do you know that the most abundant greenhouse gas is the water vapor, but that is produced naturally, so we cannot control that. Okay, so this is all about the greenhouse gases. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.